Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. With the right ingredients, you can create delicious meals that are both low in calories and high in flavor. One of these ingredients is olive oil, which is a great source of healthy fats and can help you make meals that are both tasty and nutritious. Tilapia is a popular fish that is known for its mild flavor and versatility. It's an especially good fish to cook with, as it takes on flavors from the ingredients used to cook with it. For example, a delicious dish of tilapia rice with cilantro, dill and parsley can be made in just minutes. Tilapia also has many health benefits, as it contains high amounts of protein and essential fatty acids. It's low in calories and can be used to make meals that are healthy yet still flavorful. Various herbs are used in sabzi palo, although parsley, fenugreek, chives or scallions, coriander, dill, and chives are frequently used, according to Wikipedia. Fresh and dried herbs can both be used to make it. On Nowruz, the Iranian New Year, Iranians typically eat sabzi polo with white fish, or the Caspian kutum, with their families and close friends. It is typically served with pickled vegetables and herbs, including pickled garlic. As an alternative to other varieties of white fish with white meat, tilapia fish is growing in favor. Many home cooks find it to be a simple choice because of its moderate flavor, low cost, and versatility. Tilapia is a low-calorie, low-saturated fat, and low-sodium protein that is a lean source of omega-3 fatty acids. Tilapia has a firmer texture than other white fish, and its mild flavor blends nicely with a range of herbs, spices, and seasonings. Tilapia can be a great option for people who want to add more diversity to their meals or replace white fish in their favorite dishes.